What? If you got a skill, put it on the internet, right? Yes,
Put
I'm
your shirt in my hair.
just throwing my shirt in my hair. All right. So my wife was like, "Can you say the alphabet backwards?" I'm like, let's try it out. Let's do it first, forward. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. We all know that. So Z Y X W V U T S R Q P O N M and L K J I H G F E D C B A. Yeah, I can. See, I put it on the internet. I can do it forwards and backwards, right side up and upside down. Now, can you say your alphabets forwards and backwards? Leave me some comments down below. Have a great day. Come back tomorrow because there's more cool stuff. I don't know. Might say the numbers 1 to 100 and back from 100 back down to 1. Nobody knows how to do that.